Alright guys, this is what we're looking at. We picked this up. It's given to us for free. This is a 2002 Nissan XTerra. It's a unique one. Unique as in it's two-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. And as you can see, we get... Damn it! I don't know what I was just talking about before I fell my... Oh! So this is what we're looking at. 2002 Nissan XTerra. It's two-wheel drive. It was given to us. It was free. Yeah, it looks like it's in pretty decent condition. Now it's been sitting in a garage. Well, tags say 2014. So being this is 2019, it's probably been sitting a little over 5 years. Sitting indoors. What's it going to take to get it running? There's a couple things I did do on it. Let me open this up. I did get a brand new battery for it. The battery that it had was dead, wouldn't hold a charge, and we needed it for when we towed it home. And I just pulled the dipstick out. Other than that, everything here, so you can see, it's been a condo for the mice. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't see anything. Nothing coolant. Nothing at all. Alright. Nothing on the side either. Don't see the coolant level. So I think the first thing I want to do is pop those plugs. So I'll be right back. Alright.
Let's see. There we go. No, O-ring. Broke. Oh, a little tough. That didn't feel right. Feels like it's stripping. Oh, there we go. Got a minute. Yeah, I'll see where we use it, baby.
Ew. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see what the other ones look like. That looks exactly the same. Some nasty corrosion on it. The end of that looks rusted. Alright. Let me do these other two off camera. We'll come back. Alright, we're back. Not as bad as the number 1 and 2 cylinder, but there's 3. The number 4 actually just looks used. There's not much rust in it. Let's see what's under here.
Not bad, man. Not a lot. You know what I'm gonna say. It's nice. Just before we pick it up, they cleaned out all their stuff they had, and they said they didn't run across any mice. Or carcasses.
That is an interesting air filter. Looks like they've been in here chewing it up. It's in there too. Doesn't look like they made it through. Nasty corrosion. I'll clean that up.
Baby one. Number 3 of 3 women. And this is going to be a power star. If it's not too wasted.
How's me breaking stuff? Tends to happen. Let's see if we can get this off.
This has been sitting for a while. Hose isn't even pliable.
Let's see if I can turn it over by hand. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Oh, let's see if it's free. So we just put some liquid wrench penetrating oil. That's third try. It's cold out. Aerosol cans don't like it. Only liquid wrench. All right. Man, I wish they all did that. Alright, so I poured some seafoam into the cylinders, and it's actually been sitting for about a week. I've came out every other day or so and tried to bump it over, but it's been sitting for about 3 or 4 days now. So let's see how far it'll go. Let's see, where should we go? I say we try to turn it over. Let's see if it turns. Oh, comes to a hard stop. I really do think there's something going on in there. I want to pull off the valve cover gasket, and let's see how those valves are. Oh man, that's got some goo. Lots of goo built up. Sure seems like we've had some water mix in with all that. Some emulsified oil. Well, we got piles of I wonder if that's bearings. Let me grab a magnet. No? Doesn't seem like. A lot of metal. But very well could be that a timing chain tensioner and guide. I don't know how much there is on this or how many of each. Almost seems like it was chewed up and spit out. So we're going to see if we can see down in here. This is the timing cover here. The head, it looks like we can look all the way down and inspect. So I'm going to grab a flashlight. Alright, Second best thing. It doesn't look like there's much down there. Sometimes you can see those tensioners give out, or those guides give out. And since they're made out of plastic, they'll grab in the chain, and that chain will flip up parts all over your head. Usually a good sign. That's the one I look for. It's one of the easiest. Let's put some more seafoam in it. So let's sit. Alright. Well, after I filled up the SD card yesterday, I stopped filming, but did some stuff. As you can see, removed the upper timing chain cover. Right there. Was able to get in there and see the guides and the tensioners. Lots gooey oil crud. Doesn't feel like it's rough or anything like that. Does feel emulsified though. So, oh, and a couple other things. Took off the thermostat. Not surprised, all rusted up. Don't think that would even work. So, what are we gonna do with it? Something is definitely holding it up. I'm pretty darn sure it's fouled cylinders. If it's fouled cylinders, I'll need to get it at least cleaned up and checked. Maybe rebored. So I gotta pull the engine out anyway for that. So I think that's what I'm gonna plan on doing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the engine and have everything out, accessible. Take a look at it. So, this is probably where it's gonna end for part 1. We'll go for part 2 when I get it pulled. See you guys later. Bye.